In a library of data, our wise cat librarian keeps every DAX spell perfectly in order until the baby mouse squeaks a tricky question. Every time they needed that logic, they rewrote it from scratch. What a nightmare of copy and paste chaos. Then our clever cat found a way, the user-defined function. With UDFs, one formula can power many models, effortlessly reused, perfectly neat. Cleaner models, faster updates, and fewer late-night debugging tears. And so, in the age of UDFs, our models stay tidy, our logic reusable, and our cat finally gets to nap.